Is there some natural remedy like vinegar or peroxide that would get rid of Nostoc in my gravel driveway? It will get drier looking in drier weather, but it never goes away and it can be very slick when you step on it. And this is Kathy from Middle Tennessee. So Peter, we talked about Nostoc before. So what do you think?
Well,
natural remedy?
I would say the best natural remedy is to get out there with your leaf rake and just, when it's dry, and rake it up. Just collect it all into a bag, throw it away. I'd say that's the best remedy. There are commercial moss and algae killers out there. Several companies sell them. You can use that, but it seems to me like the easiest thing to do is to just rake it up. Also, look at your driveway. Are there places where water stands? You might want to improve drainage. That sounds funny on something that you're trying that you're trying to keep hard, but just slope it so that the water runs away and it doesn't stand. That would probably help as well. But I'd say rake it up and throw it away would be the best.
And of course, what you were talking about, those chemical measures, the active ingredient is going to be potassium salts or fatty acids, right? So those are actually, considered to be safe. But I don't know if I would use those, Booker. Just rake it.
The one you try to rake it like Pete said, rake it out of there, and also a lot of times you see the stuff growing out. Well, stay moist, like you said, stay moist, and also you might have a little more shade in that area. That process up under the driveway on the sidewalk, we may have a little more shade. You'll see that begin to grow in there. I normally see that in the yard. I never see it on the driveway, but it could be like that though.
Yeah, I've seen it in the yard setting. I've seen it in the driveway. I like Nostoc, witch's butter, star jelly, a couple of names that it goes by. Of course, it gets hydrated anytime there's moisture, right? But when it's hot, it dries up. It's like a black crust, right? So I would get a shovel or something and just go ahead and get rid of it or rake it.
Rake it up,
like Peter mentioned. But improve the drainage. Improve the drainage. You got to do. Don't use too much phosphorus fertilizer, all right? That encourages the growth of Nostoc, right? And then if you want to, you can add some organic matter, material to the area, and that'll be fine. We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.